Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for candy grapes. So to make this recipe, you'll need some grapes, and you can use green grapes or red grapes, whichever you prefer. And you'll need some Jell-O mix, and you want to make sure it's the powdered kind. And you can use any flavor or any color. I have a lot of different ones to try today. And you'll also need some lime juice or some lemon juice, and you can either use in the bottle or freshly squeezed, whichever you prefer. And depending on the method that you use today, you're going to need either a Ziploc bag, a spoon, or toothpicks. And you'll also need some bowls and some plates. So let's get started. So first we're going to get started by making our juice mixture, which is the same for all of the methods I'm going to show you today. And to do that, you're just going to take a bowl, and you're going to add either some lime juice or some lemon juice, or a little bit of both if you want some extra depth of flavor. So I'm just going to add some lime juice, and I might add some lemon a little later. There we go. And that is our juice mixture. So now let's get started with method number 1. So for our first method, we're going to use our juice mixture here and a Ziploc bag. So first we're going to take our Ziploc bag and open it up and add some of our Jell-O mix inside. So I'm going to start by using some raspberry Jell-O mix. And you don't have to add the whole bag, just a little bit. That. And next, we're going to take a grape with our clean washed hands and drop it inside of our juice mixture here. Make sure it's nice and coated with the mixture, but not completely dripping wet. Go and drop it inside your bag and seal it up and shake it around. Go. And I'll take my grape out to show you. Go. So that is method number 1 with our Ziploc bag. And method number 1 is a lot faster than the other methods and a lot cleaner because everything is in the Ziploc bag, but your grapes may not be completely coated. So let's go ahead and try out method number 2. So method number 1 was a lot faster because you could do multiple grapes at the same time in your bag, or you can do one at a time like I did. But method number 2 is going to take a little bit longer because we're going to do each grape one at a time. And for this method, we're going to use our same juice mixture, a bowl, and toothpicks. And for this method, our grapes will get nice and evenly coated. So first we're going to start by adding our Jell-O mix into our bowl here. So I'm going to use some orange Jell-O mix this time. Just add a little bit in there. And the same as before, we're going to pick a grape. But this time, we're going to put a toothpick on it. So here's my grape and my toothpick. Go. And then we're going to dip it in our juice mixture. Make sure it's not too wet. Go. And then roll it in our Jell-O. There we go. So that is method number 2. And next I'll show you method number 3. So for method number 2, you got a nice coated grape, but you might have gotten some clumps on your grape or in your bowl of Jello mix from the juice. So for method number 3, we're going to again use our juice mixture and a bowl. And we're going to add in our Jello mixture. This time I'm going to use berry blue. And we're going to take our grape and drop it inside of our juice mixture with our clean hands. Roll it around a little, lift it up, and hold it. And then we're going to spoon the mixture onto our grape. And spin it. Like that. So this method can get a little messy, but you have a very nicely coated grape. So here are my 3 methods. We have number 1 here with our Ziploc bag. We have number 2 here with our toothpick. And number 3 here with our spoon. So you can pick which method that you like the best and make the rest of your grapes. And once you're done, you can enjoy them just like that, or you can pop them in the refrigerator or the freezer for a few hours and enjoy a nice, refreshing snack. So I'm going to finish the rest of my grapes and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator and I'll show you them once they're done. I finished up the rest of my grapes and I put them in the refrigerator for a few hours, and this is how they turned out, nice and chilled. And I also made some with the rest of the colors that I had. So here are all of my grapes. I hope you try out some of these methods for candy grapes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!